Hello guys and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam. So make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy.
I just don't know. I'm putting it.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just put your car in. We gotta make sure.
Pay attention at the Mercedes driver in front of the camera. He didn't use his indicators at all, not even when he moved around the parked vehicle, nor while he was making a turn.
Stop spitting there. Yeah, but that will pull out and go 5 miles an hour.
Whoa, motherfucker! Christ almighty. Eventually, at the cost of the company's most senior developer
me, man. What in the fuck is wrong with you?
Texting and driving is among the leading causes of all accidents on the road. Simply looking at your phone while driving is not worth the risk that comes with it. This lady failed to stay in her own lane because of the phone, but luckily the accident was avoided.
Dude, what are you doing? I got you on dash cam. I got you on dash cam.
Says public funds should not go to private school.
Well guys, this is what happens when you don't pay attention at the traffic light, especially at a busy intersection such as this one here.
Naturally, the shipwreck is a harrowing experience.
Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck.
You didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Shipwreck Island.
So, this is Shipwreck.
Yes, and the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow...
I've never really noticed how sarcastic those ambulances sound until now. It's like, we're coming! We'll be there! Oh my God! What are you gonna die?
Right there. No. Oh!
This is exactly what can happen when you're drinking and driving. Pay close attention to this crazy driver who ran a red light at the intersection at a high rate of speed. Driver who tried to make a turn at the Target's parking lot waited way too long, and I don't know how he didn't manage to notice the driver coming his way. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.